Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. So recently my FB feed was filled with some really cool digital painting effects, and this is trending on various social media platforms. So I also thought of join this particular trend in my own way by creating a short tutorial video on this. So in this video, I will show you how you can create different kinds of cool effects with the use of same app in less than 2 minutes. So without wasting any further time, let's hit the timer and start with the tutorial. So I am on my phone right now, and the app we are going to use is Photo Lab, and you can download it from Google Play Store. So first I am going to try out this effect. So I have to tap on the effect first, then I have to select the image like this, then I have to resize it, then click on the next one, and it will take some time for processing. So this is my first effect. Let's try out one more effect. So let's go back. Suppose I'm going to use this one. Then for this one I'm going to try out this particular image taken by me. So I have to first resize it, then click on the next arrow. Then again it will take some time for processing, and here is the end result. This is really cool, right? So we are going to use the third effect. We don't have much time, so for the third one I'm going to use which one I can use this one. Let's click on this one, then select the face. So I'm going to use this particular image for this. Let's resize it and tap on the right arrow key. Now again it will take some time for processing, and here is the end result. So see, this is before and this is after. Okay, so I'm going to edit my fourth image. So for the fourth one I can use this image taken by me. Let's click on the right arrow key. So again it will take some time for processing, and this is the end result. See, before and after. Okay, let's try out some more effects. Now I'm going to try out this one, which is really popular. So for this one I'm going to use this image, then it will take some time for processing. So we are done. So please try out these really cool effects and share your creation in various social media platforms. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. And currently I am using this XP Pen tablet, so the upcoming video will be the review of this particular product. So till then, stay tuned and follow your passion.